Imagine two people start at the same point. Same age, same skills, same opportunities. Fast forward 5 years. One of them is still stuck, complaining, procrastinating, waiting. The other one, they're miles ahead. More money, more freedom, more confidence. The question is, why? What did they do differently? Today, I'll break down how you can progress way faster than anyone else around you, step by step. Principle 1. Speed comes from clarity. Most people are slow in life not because they're lazy, but because they're confused. They don't know what they want. They keep changing goals. They chase distractions instead of direction. Think about it. If you're driving a car at 120 kilometers per hour but don't know the destination, you're not fast. You're just lost. Quickly. Here's the truth. Clarity creates speed. Action. Step. Write down one clear outcome for the next 6 months. Not 10 goals, not 50 dreams, one outcome. Example. Grow my YouTube channel to 10,000 subscribers, or make $5,000 a month in my side business. The moment you cut the noise, progress becomes 10 times faster. Principle 2. Learn in feedback loops, not years. Most people learn the slow way. They read for years. They watch tutorials forever. They prepare endlessly before taking action. That's why they move like snails. The fast movers? They learn in feedback loops. They take action. They fail fast. They adjust instantly. Think about how kids learn to walk. They don't sit in a room for 2 years studying balance theory. They try, fall, and correct. That's how you should learn. Action step. Instead of reading 10 books on fitness, go to the gym today. Instead of preparing a business plan for 6 months, launch a product this week. Every action gives you feedback. Every feedback makes you sharper. Principle 3. Environment equals accelerator. If you hang around 5 unmotivated people, guess what? You become the 6th. If you hang around 5 people who are moving fast, ambitious, and hungry, your speed doubles automatically. Why? Because environment is stronger than willpower. Story. Ever noticed how athletes who train in groups perform better? Not because they're more talented, but because the environment forces them to level up. Action step. Audit your circle. Who are you talking to daily? Do they slow you down or speed you up? If you don't have fast-paced people around you, create a digital environment. Follow builders, creators, and thinkers who challenge you. Progress isn't just personal. It's contagious. Principle 4. Systems beat motivation. Here's a big mistake. People rely on motivation to move fast. The problem: motivation is like sugar, gives you a quick high, then crashes. High achievers don't depend on motivation. They build systems. A student with a study system learns faster than the motivated student who only studies when they feel like it. An entrepreneur with a sales system grows faster than the one who only works when inspiration hits. Action. Step. Ask yourself, how can I turn my goal into a system? Examples. Want to get fit? Schedule workouts at fixed times, prep meals in advance. Want to grow online? Post 3 videos per week no matter what. Track analytics every Sunday. Motivation makes you start. Systems make you unstoppable. Principle 5. Speed is about energy management. Here's the underrated secret. The faster you recover, the faster you progress. Most people burn out because they think working harder equals moving faster. Wrong. Working smarter plus managing energy equals faster growth. Action step. Fix your sleep. No energy to no progress. Eat clean, move daily, hydrate. Schedule deep work blocks, 90 minutes of pure focus, instead of fake productivity all day. Remember, it's not about working 14 hours at 20% energy. It's about working 6 hours at 100% energy. That's how you outpace everyone. Principle 6. Compounding greater than intensity. Here's the ultimate truth. Most people give up before the compounding effect kicks in. They quit after 3 months at the gym. They stop posting after 10 YouTube videos. They give up after the first business flop. The real progress comes from small, consistent actions stacking over time. Story. Think of bamboo. It grows underground for years, invisible. Then one year, it shoots up 90 feet in weeks. Your progress works the same way. Action. Step. Pick one skill, one path, and stick to it long enough for compounding to work its magic. That's how you eventually move so fast, people think it's overnight success. So, let's recap. Clarity creates speed. Feedback loops beat years of waiting. Your environment either accelerates or kills progress. Systems crush motivation. Energy management fuels speed. And compounding makes you unstoppable. If you apply these principles, you won't just progress faster. You'll progress so fast, people around you will wonder what secret you've unlocked. But here's the truth. There is no secret. It's just doing the simple things, consistently, while everyone else wastes time. Now tell me in the comments, which principle are you going to apply first? And if you found this valuable, don't just watch and leave. Subscribe, share this with a friend, and let's keep building this fast-moving community together, because progress is contagious, and yours starts now.